Okay, we're putting a applicator on this Krone 1150, and we only need about 6 inches of a power wire to go into a D plug. This is the D plug that we're going to be putting in just a little ways under the controller for power. So instead of using all of this wire and sacrificing for that, we don't have a blower on this chopper. So we're going to take off of the branch harness, we're going to take this blower power, and we're going to just pull the sheath back on it so it looks like that. We're going to cut these two staggered so that we can abandon them inside this sheath, and we're going to take this piece and put it on to the D plug so we can plug it right into our power cord. I'll show you when we're done. Inside a Kloss 1180, took the oiler back. There's a bolt down here and a bolt up here to take that oiler back. And then I covered it up already, but there's a 3-prong that we should have a pigtail for, but they didn't have a pigtail, so I took a red spade connector, cut it in half, and put it down the middle. The yellow wire is in the middle. And then because we didn't have a plug, I had to just tape that up. But there's our header wire. Here's our 16 pin coming back from the cab. We are mounting this baby up on top of the deck. And our hose is in place here. We got to take this guard off and then fix our pipe in there, our hose and pipe. The hose goes down along the cab, and we're mounting the applicator up next to the spout here. Install review on the Krone Big X 1180 here in Ireland. We're up on top, and I will show you what we did up there. We went right through the grating. We got, you can see it down there, we got some 1/4 inch by 2 by 6 inch flat stock, drilled some holes in it, makes a super snug installation up here. It is tight. 2 bolts on each leg. We got our 16 pin and our header wire running down, and we got our hose on here. Goes nicely around this little tank and down to the impeller. And that's it. We'll look inside the cab. Okay, we got the oiler back in place. We got our header wire zip tied up to our 16 pin and up through the grating, and we'll finish up there. We're done in the doghouse. Everything's put back together. There we are in this Krone 1180. We got a Kloss chopper kit. Really no way to fasten this in. We had to take 5 bolts off to get a grate off that was on here, and the end of our pipe is in. This is the grate that was on there that we took off, and then I fashioned a little loop or a big washer onto that nut to put a big strap on, and I got another strap around their water system, but it's not ideal. We're in the impeller, but we need to come up with a better solution for the Kloss 1180. Sorry, Krone 1180. Inside the cab, we have the SM10 bolted back here, and we have a short little pigtail on our power wire into the D plug. Right here is a D plug, just like the John Deere where we put the header wire in, same plug. And we're ready to power it up and run it.